All set.
No, have you?
No. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to,
Leave it for now.
3, 2, 1. That's it. There we go. It's great. I'm delighted now for you. That's it. You're all done.
It's grand.
Take that back when you come back. Thanks a million. Thank you. Poster lady. I know.
All the best now. Thanks.
Thank you.
Well, it feels good if they'll do any good. I'm ready for it anyway.
It's an incredibly exciting day. Our staff were absolutely buzzing this morning, and it was one of those nights where, you know, I didn't sleep particularly well. I woke at 3 a.m. I was really, really excited to get in, because we've lived for the last year in really difficult times, but I don't think anyone has experienced the difficulties that this particular age group have, and the restrictions on their liberties, and the impact it's had on their mental health and their physical well-being. And we've seen it regularly over the last 12 months.